everyone, it's me, Ruby. I'm back again with another video. I know, 2 uploads in 1 week. It's a momentous occasion. So today is going to be a review of this shop called Weirdos Shop. Here's their card. My camera will focus. There we go. All their social media. Okay. Well, so I'll just read it off. It's an Etsy shop. It's etsy.com/shop/weirdoshop. Their Instagram is @weirdos_shop. And their Facebook is /weirdoshop. And then it also has her email. I don't know. Her email. So, what did I get from this shop? Well, what did I get? Where did I put it? So, everyone knows that I get a lot of cat ears because I like cat stuff and anime, and I'm like Neko girl because it's cute. So, of course, I got a pair of cat ears, but they're custom cat ears, so they're the special kind. Okay, so hold on, let me like brush them. Okay, so these are the cat ears. They're like huge for me on my head. So they are, I think, frosted gray fur. This is the back. They're frosted gray fur, and don't know which pattern this is. I think it was like 22, 23, because the way that she has the ears is she numbers them. So she numbers the fur. I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. It's the litter box. So yeah, they're pretty cute. These are $17, which is pretty cheap for some good looking ears, because you see a lot of them from shops like Hashikins and Kitten sightings. It's like $40, and I'm like, damn, I don't got no money. So 17 plus shipping, so they were about 20. So let me show you what they look like on. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. This is what they look like on. As you can see, they're really cute. They're huge. They're really adorable, and I like them. So this would be cat. Stop it. He's making a mess in my room. Very dismayed at him. Go. Go. He keeps making a mess in my room. Come here. This is Duffel. Say hi. This is my new cat. We adopted him on Clear the Shelters Day, which was Saturday. He's 2 years old, and he's named after how like the shelter found him, which is like abandoned in a duffel bag outside. So that's why we call him Duffel. You can call him Duffy. I'm still a little upset with him because before I recorded this video, he decided to take a massive like poop in the front of the setup, and I'm like, really now? Okay. And it stank because he's in my room, and his litter box is in my room because my mom forced me to put it in my room. Sir. Duffy. So yeah, that's about it. Got some cute cat ears. Go check out her shop. She's really good at making cat ears, clearly, because they're adorable, and I don't think she gets as much traffic as she deserves for these like quality ears, because for one, the fur is really soft, and then two, like look, this is really sturdy and they're bendable, so it's like win-win, you know? So, oh yeah, and her packaging is really good. Like, I already seen the package in like a standard package, like I don't know, like a bag kind of, like let me show you, like this kind of package. I'm not gonna show you the front because I don't feel like blurring things out. It's actually kind of adorable inside, and she had little confettis, or like heart confettis, and it was like really cute. I'm like, aw. And then there's like an envelope with like, you know, because most shops have like a handwritten letter to you, and then her card, and then these. It was really simple. She's really good at talking to you, because, you know, she's really good at talking to you. You know, some shops, wow. You know, some shops, like, they don't get back to you. Like, she kind of texted me on Etsy, and we kind of had a conversation about what we wanted the cat ears to look like, and she sent me the pair. Well, she didn't send me. She sent me a picture of the pair before she sent them out. And yeah, I mean, I don't really have any complaints, unless you want your ears to get there fast. I mean, for custom made ears, they got there pretty fast. She made them pretty quickly. It was just we're mostly waiting on the shipping. And I didn't really care because I wasn't in a hurry to get them. So yeah, she doesn't use a tracker, which is like only thing, but it doesn't really matter unless like you're really uptight about your packages and like when they come, because Etsy will tell you when the package is there, so it's like okay, unless Etsy is the tracker. Maybe I'm stupid. It might be Etsy is the tracker of the package. Well, I don't know, because I remember the weekend I was at Otakon and I didn't have any data, so I couldn't check on Etsy. My ears just came on Monday when I got home, so I was like, oh, they're here. So I opened them. And that's about it for this video. I've rambled on enough. So if you want more videos, make sure to subscribe. What is wrong with my speech today? Make sure you subscribe, like if you like this video, dislike if you don't like this video, and tell me why you don't like this video. Let's get a conversation in the comment section. And yeah, have a nice day, guys. Come here. Say bye-bye. You stink.